I want to talk about this combination wireless keyboard and mouse from Logitech that I've been using for 4 years now. It comes with a keyboard, the mouse, and a USB receiver to plug into your laptop. I've had great success with this. Two AAA batteries is what powers it, and I'm getting good life out of it. It has two adjustable legs on the back if you want to adjust it to suit yourself ergonomically. The mouse is very easy to use. It's contoured to fit your hand, very comfortable. It tracks very well. I've had no issues with that. The only drawback that I can think of is that this is not the most quiet of keyboards there is. It does make a little bit of a sound as you're typing away, but that wasn't a big issue for me. So I've had no issues, been very happy with the product. If you'd like to purchase this for your home office, please click on the link in the description below.